In this course, we're going to be utilizing VS Code to do our editing. I've been using it for a couple of years and it's really good. It's got all sorts of extensions that can do all sorts of things that make life very easy. So head over to visualstudio.com, or in Google if you just type in VS Code and just click on the download link. Then you can choose the one that is appropriate for your operating system. As I'm on my Windows machine, I'm going to click on the Windows icon and the download should start. Launch the wizard and just step through it by following the bouncing ball. One thing to note is when you come to this particular section where it asks you for the options, it's a good idea to actually include all of them, and this applies to a Mac as well. This will give you some extra capabilities in Windows Explorer or Finder to be able to easily open Visual Studio Code in various directories. Then go ahead and complete the installation. Once VS Code is downloaded, go ahead and launch it. You may find that yours looks and feels a bit different. I have some additional extensions which give me extended menus. I've got my own color theme and icon set. You can go ahead and click on the icon over here and choose the color theme and file icon set that is to your liking. The first thing we're going to do once we've actually launched VS Code is we're going to click on this extensions box over here. And we're going to get the C++ extension. So we're going to go and search for C++. And the one that we want is this one over here. As you can see, 22.4 million downloads at the time of recording. It's this circle with the C++ inside it. Go ahead and install that. Now that we've got VS Code and the C++ extensions, we're ready to start our first application.